It's 5 to midnight. And it's across Dublin town to Glasnevin to get the weather and sea area forecast tonight. We're joined by Matthew Martin. Hello, Matthew.
Thanks, Cathal, and hello here from Med-Éireann. Well, it is a very cold night tonight with a status yellow and orange low temperature and ice warning in operation nationwide. It is already -6 degrees at our weather station at Mount Dillon in County Roscommon, with much of the country recording sub-zero temperatures. And the outlook is for the cold weather to persist through Saturday, but all change on Sunday when it turns mild, wet and windy. For tonight, it will be mostly dry, but there will be a few showers in the north and northwest. Very cold, with lows between -5 and -9 degrees generally, but slightly less cold in some coastal areas. There will be some patches of freezing fog developing, with winds mostly light over land. So a very cold start tomorrow, with widespread frost and ice on untreated surfaces. A few patches of freezing fog about as well. Many areas will be dry tomorrow morning with some sunshine, but showers will move in across the northwest. And these showers will extend gradually southeastwards over the country during the afternoon and evening tomorrow, some of them turning wintry, with icy conditions in some areas. Highest temperatures tomorrow of just 0 to 4 degrees. Another cold night tomorrow night with clear spells and scattered showers, again some wintry and further icy conditions in places. Then Saturday will be quite chilly, with mist and fog in some areas. There will be plenty of dry weather, but with a few showers, especially in the south and west. Highest temperatures of 1 to 4 degrees generally on Saturday, but between 5 and 8 degrees in coastal areas of the south and west. And all change on Saturday night as rain sweeps northwards over Ireland, and that will lead into a mild and breezy day on Sunday, with outbreaks of rain, and highest temperatures of between 8 and 13 degrees. That's your land area forecast, and now for the sea area. The meteorological situation as of 9 p.m. Ireland lies in a slack northerly airflow. A freshening southwesterly airflow will develop over Ireland on Friday as a frontal trough moves in from the Atlantic. The forecast for Irish coastal waters from Howth Head to Dungarvan to Valentia and for the South Irish Sea. Winds north to northwest or variable force 3 or 4. Soon becoming southwest force 3 or 4, and then later increasing southwest force 4 or 5, and occasionally reaching force 6. The forecast then for Irish coastal waters from Valentia to Malin Head to Howth Head and for the North Irish Sea. Winds becoming southwest to west, force 4 or 5 imminent, reaching force 6 or 7 at times between Sline Head and Howth Head. The weather now for all sea areas: clear spells and scattered showers, some with hail, some inland mist or fog, frequent showers developing later. The visibility often good, moderate to poor in showers or fog. The outlook then for a further 24 hours until midnight on Saturday. Fresh to strong southwest winds becoming southerly on Saturday night. The weather: scattered showers, some with hail. Rain developing on Saturday night. And now the coast reports as of 11 p.m. Malin Head west-southwest 11 knots, rain shower, 5 miles, 1,015 steady. Dublin Airport west 8 knots, mists, 1.6 miles, 1,017 steady. Boy M5 north-northeast 13 knots. The visibility at Tusker Lighthouse is greater than 10 miles, 1,016 rising slowly. Roaches Point north-northwest 10 knots, fair, 11 miles, 1,018 steady. Valentia east-northeast 5 knots, fair, 8 miles, 1,009 steady. Finally tonight, Belmullet south-southeast 4 knots, fair, 11 miles, 1,017 falling slowly. That's all from Med-Éireann for now. Thanks for listening and take care.
Thanks very much for that, Matthew Martin at Med-Éireann. The news at midnight is coming up.